Hi everyone, welcome to Brimitech. Today in this video, I'll introduce the dashboard of Trello, the project management software. I hope you have created a Trello account by following my previous video. Today, let's talk about the Workspace Interface. When I log into Trello, I see the following interface. Let me explain each part of this interface to you. If you click on boards, you will see all boards under all the workspaces and the recently viewed boards. By the way, boards is selected at the moment, so no need to click on it. Under the workspace research and development, the boards are economics book, maths book, and physics book. If you click on the templates tab, you will see all the available templates for Trello boards. Let me click on the tab. We have arrived on this page. Here in the left sidebar, we see many template categories. These are business, design, education, engineering, marketing, HR and operations, personal, productivity, product management, project management, remote work, sales, support, and team management. Additionally, I can submit a new template created by me by clicking on this button named plus submit a template. As you can see, a few templates have been featured in the upper part of this page. These are new and notable templates. If I scroll down, I get to see a few templates under the business category, another fewer under the design category. The same is applicable for education and other categories. Now, let's get back to the previous page. If you click on the Home tab, you will be here on this page. Here you see a message as stay on track and up to date. In this part, you will see the recently viewed items. Here is a link to create a new board. We will talk about that in our next video. Now let's get back to the previous scenario. If you click on the plus sign, you will create a new workspace. If you click on the drop-down arrow tip adjacent to research and development, you will see all the options under this workspace. Let me click that. A few options emerge. I have to explain them as well. However, I'm going to explain only the first three. Other options, namely Workspace Table, Members, Settings, and Trello Premium, we will discuss in another section, as you will see. If you click on Getting Started, you will see a checklist. The list includes create a workspace, add a board to our workspace, invite your teammates, connect your apps, and explore automations. To the right of the menu, you will see existing members. If you click on boards, you will see the existing boards under the current workspace. Next to that, there is a create new board button. In the free version, you can't create more than 10 boards under a workspace. If you click on highlights, you will see this page. This is something we already encountered. They are giving you a suggestion to stay on track and up to date. You will see the recently viewed items and a link to create a board. So, the thing is that you can create a new board at 5 different places. 2 boards, the upper boards, the lower boards, home, the create menu, and highlights. Now, let's get back to the previous scenario by clicking on the upper boards button. If you click on choose a category, a drop-down menu will show up. On the menu, you can see a few categories of templates. If you click here, you will browse the full template gallery. This is not required at this moment, since we already did that. These are the items you recently viewed. This is just the name of your current workspace where we are working. If you click on these boards, you will see all of your boards under your current workspace. Here they are. If you click on Workspace table or this Workspace table, you will see a premium feature of Trello. If you are on the Pro version and have a workspace containing one or more boards, here you will see a specialized table. However, please check the playlist to find related videos. If you click on Members, you will see all the members in the current workspace. You can even invite new members to the workspace by clicking on this button. You can remove one or more members if necessary. In addition, you can leave the workspace if you want to. In the free version, every member is an admin by default. You can start a 14-day free trial to unlock exclusive features like members' different roles. If you click on Settings, you will go to the setting page. Here you have a lot of setting options to change and adjust. At the bottom of this page, you can even delete the workspace. Now, let me go to the previous page. You need to click on this link if you want to upgrade to your Trello account. Now, click View All Closed Boards to see all the deleted boards. Up until now, only one board has been deleted. That's chemistry. If you click on this cancel sign, you won't see the template anymore. That's all for today. I hope you guys now know everything about our Trello Workspace dashboard after watching this video. So thank you for watching. If you learned anything new today in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also feel free to hit the subscribe button to get future content from Brimitech. In addition, press the bell icon so that every time we publish a new video, you get to watch it before anybody else does. So, I'm signing up now. In the next video of Trello tutorial series, I'll show you how to create a Trello board. Have a great day.